I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is just another nail demo, and I'm going to be showing you the clear pre-pinch stiletto tips and violet glitter. They are honestly stunning. There are also a few other products included in this video, but let's get started. So I'm starting by applying my clear pre-pinch tip to this nail. Obviously on a practice hand it's going to be slightly different, so it was over the side, but if you were applying this to a natural real nail, you would just trim those sides and file down. Next I'm coming in with Milky Pink, and I'm going to be using Violet Fine Glitter, which is like a purple iridescent glitter, but it's got that blue UV glow, and it's honestly absolutely stunning. The brush that I'm using in today's video is the number 10 Magic Stick. I find it beautiful for applying product and just real great product control. So I've applied Milky Pink to the centre of the nail and I've blended it down with my brush. I've used the tip of my brush to do that. Next I'm coming in with Violet Glitter, and I'm applying that just before the cuticle area. I'm patting it into place and bringing it up towards that cuticle just to make sure that we get a nice tidy finish. And once you are happy with your cuticle placement, you can go ahead and start blending that bead and the glitter down to exactly where you want it. And applying glitter just takes a little bit of time, and once you've kind of become used to the process, it becomes so much easier. If you're having a hard time with it, do not give up. You will get there, I promise. So I'm just applying the second bead of glitter, and I'm just doing that where I finished off the other violet bead, and then I'm going to be blending and feathering that down again. Now I wanted to keep the tip kind of like a frosted milky pink, which is why I used that milky pink as the base, and I wanted the glitter to kind of fade into that milky pink because it's kind of a semi-translucent cover. It doesn't kind of cover up completely, so you can still see through it. So I applied that over the tip again and blended it about halfway to 3/4 way up the nail, and then capped the glitter towards the cuticle in clear acrylic just to make sure that we got that full clarity of the violet glitter towards the cuticle area. Once I've capped everything and let everything set, I'm going to go ahead and file. I like to use the 100-180 grit nail files from Glitter Planet. I'll have everything that I've used in the video linked down below for you guys. And yeah, I just really hope that you enjoy this little mini demo. So once I've filed, I'll come in with super gloss, and I'm just going to be applying a nice layer over the entire nail. Now when you have got a clear tip or even just a frosted tip, you want to make sure you kind of get all the dirt, well, it's not really dirt, is it? Just the excess dust from under the nail, and if you feel necessary, top coat that area as well and cure underneath. So this is the final result of that nail. Honestly, stunning. I could wear this set all day freaking long, but I wanted to take it up a notch and apply a nice 3D flower. So I'm going to be using Blizzard White and the 3D brush from my website, which I will have linked down below. It's the number 5 100% Kalink skin. It comes to a nice beautiful point, so it makes it super precise for doing the tiniest details, but you can also do larger details as well. So I'm just coming in with that white, and this kind of does take a little bit of time to do this process, so I'll let you guys enjoy me create this flower. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you want to know when I upload, and also follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nail Fairy. Okay guys, so once I've finished doing the details on the leaf, that's the final result. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. I know it's just a one nail demo, but you can kind of, you know, add it to any set that you desire. Thank you so much for watching guys, and always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.